Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we got a quick video on replacing the hood shocks or the trunk shocks on my IS300. If you have an IS300 Sportcross, you'll probably have this problem eventually where the trunk shocks will fail on you and it'll drop on you while you're trying to get something out. So in today's video, we'll do a quick replacement of those shocks. So this is my 02 IS300 Sportcross. So the previous owner had replaced this set right here with this particular part number. This is actually a made in the USA shock, but it's probably been on here for at least 10-12 years, if not longer, and it's starting to fail. So right now it's warm, so it actually stays up, but during the winter when it gets a little bit of cold, if I have it up here all the way, it actually drops down. In this situation, if I put it about halfway, it doesn't hold anymore and it just ends up falling. So we'll go ahead and replace those with an OEM set used on a Volvo today. So I was doing a bunch of research on the older forums for the IS300 Sportcross, and I found a few OEM part numbers from a Volvo that was able to basically be the same shock that we can replace it with. And I went ahead and ordered OEM ones, or at least the OEM manufacturer ones from Stabilus. These are one of the top manufacturers that makes almost everybody's hood shocks and trunk shocks for most vehicles. So I got these from FCP Euro for basically $10 more than just buying them on Amazon for some cheap Chinese ones. And the thing with FCP Euro is they offer basically lifetime warranty as long as you have the receipt and you have the vehicle and you could claim it. Anything that goes wrong with these, they'll replace it, no questions asked. That's just one of their deals with FCP Euro for European car parts. So luckily these came from a Volvo, which is a European car, and we're able to use it on the IS300. So here's the part numbers of these two that I ordered right here. The funny thing is both of these are the same part number as you can see there, but one is made in Germany, one's made in the USA. So I got mismatched set even though they're the same exact part number. This one's made in Gastonia, North Carolina, which is basically Charlotte. And this other one's just made in Germany, no city or anywhere else, but the markings are a little bit different. Overall, it looks like it's the exact same body, the exact same mounts and everything. So we'll go ahead and install these and we can pretty much compare eventually if these things, one fails over the other. But since they work in unison, I guess you'll never know which one fails. When they fail, you'll replace them as a pair anyways. So to remove these, get a flat head, pop this clip out right here, kind of slide it either way, same with the bottom, and then take it out from the ball joint that's on the car side, and this thing just pops right out. All right, here we got the aftermarket ones that I just took out, those 6237s right there. And you can see compared to the new Stabilus ones I'm putting in, the ends are pretty much identical, the same type of clips, the same length and everything, a little bit different design there. These ones were chrome, these ones are black as far as the piston goes. The ends here are very similar also. The one thing I noticed about the new replacement ones, that German one that I had does not come with any grease inside the ball joints, where the one that was made in North Carolina does come with a squirt of grease on each side. I'm gonna go ahead and put some silicone grease in the one right here before I put it back in, as well as clean all the corrosion off the ball joints on the vehicle. Both these ball joints at the top and at the bottom are kind of corroded. So we'll go ahead and get a piece of Scotch-Brite, clean that all up before we put the new ones on. All right, once we got all the ball joints cleaned up, snapping the new ones in is gonna be easy peasy. It's just gonna basically snap those things in on either side with those metal clips. If you need to prop them a little bit, use that same flathead to open up that opening, slide it in, and then clip it back down. These new trunk shocks are so strong, I basically have an auto opener now. Once I unlock it, it just goes up all by itself. Just to prevent damage, it's probably gonna be a good idea once you let it go up, just to kind of hold it so it doesn't bang and mess up your hinges. Hey guys, thanks for joining me on that quick video on changing those trunk shocks on the IS300 Sportcross. If you need any of the parts or the parts information, go ahead and check out the links down in the description where I got these from, as well as the part numbers, so you go find them yourself. If you don't want to spend that much for the FCP Euro lifetime warranty ones, they do make Amazon ones for like 20 bucks or something like that. Anyways, if you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to your channel, go ahead and subscribe to your channel. Turn on bell notifications to get notified every time I upload a video. For all these different projects, whether I'm working on the IS300, the Sienna, the GX, the IS250, whatever I'm doing around the car, the house, the garage, whatever, if I can do it, you guys can do it. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you guys next time.